Attack with the axe!
Steady.
The cloth is secure.
We're clear on the left. Proceed.
Eat well, you all have to give milk too.
Why are you crying? What happened to you?
Oh, so that's the matter. All right then, let's go.
Oh my God!
Rescue team, please, save the horse's life quickly.
Just wait 10 minutes, I'm coming right now. Officers, hurry up, it's an emergency rescue! Officers, this is the emergency, Taurang. We have to rescue this horse. Everyone, grab your rescue gear and get ready. Go to the park and rescue that horse, quickly! Grab the saws!
Affirmative, moving to Sector 4.
Gear up, we're deploying now. Copy that, moving out. All right, we're secure. Heading out now.
All right, stand back, sir. Let us take a look.
Oxygen tank secure. Move the ropes next.
Copy that. Rope going down now.
We need the trauma kits up front.
Please help my horse. I don't know what happened.
Don't worry.
Officer, quickly bring an axe. And someone, get an injection ready for the horse. Hurry!
Get ready. We need to move fast.
Don't worry.
Attack with the axe!
Maintain the flame pattern. We need more heat on the lower quadrant. Keep the perimeter secure.
Beams on the center mass. Keep it steady.
We're almost through the membrane.
Nothing's working. Bring the chainsaw. Only that might help.
The cloth is secure.
We're clear on the left. Proceed.
Let's move it over here. All right, set it down gently.
It's okay now. Easy does it. Here's the topical anesthetic. We'll apply this to the wound now. Now you're doing great. Just a little more.
Wound is clean and wrapped. Keep him calm for the next few hours.
Well done, Doctor.
Mission successful! Woo!